Hey there, I'm Amazon S3, your go-to storage solution in AWS. I'm more than just a place to keep data. I'm packed with features to help you store, manage, and protect your data. Today, let's dive into my top features, especially useful if you're an AWS architect, cloud engineer, developer, or just curious about cloud storage. Stay tuned. Durable storage for any data type. Amazon S3 is like a digital vault in the cloud, designed to securely store all kinds of data, whether it's documents, images, or videos. It offers what we call 11 nines of durability, meaning your data is incredibly safe. S3 is all about long-term, worry-free storage. Scalability. One of the best things about Amazon S3 is its scalability. Imagine a storage center that can expand without limits as your data grows. With S3, you never need to worry about running out of space. It grows with you seamlessly, making it ideal for businesses of any size. Security and compliance. Amazon S3 is designed with security as a top priority. It uses multiple layers of protection, including encryption, to keep your data safe. Plus, S3 meets major compliance standards like HIPAA and GDPR, so you know your data is stored responsibly and securely. Versioning. Need to keep different versions of your files? Amazon S3's versioning feature has you covered. It keeps copies of every version of your data, so if you ever need to roll back to an earlier version, it's just a click away. This makes it easy to recover from accidental changes or deletions. Cost-effective storage options. With Amazon S3, you only pay for what you need. It offers multiple storage classes like Standard for frequently accessed data, Infrequent Access for less used data, and Glacier for archival storage. These options make it easy to store data cost-effectively, based on how often you need it. Lifecycle management and automation. Amazon S3 also simplifies data management with lifecycle policies. You can set up rules to automatically move data from active storage to archival, or even delete it when it's no longer needed. This keeps your storage organized and cost-efficient without any manual effort. Data analytics integration. Amazon S3 goes beyond just storage. It integrates seamlessly with analytics services like Athena and Redshift. This means you can analyze your data directly from S3, gaining insights without needing to move it around. It's storage that's ready for data-driven decisions. High availability and regional redundancy. Lastly, Amazon S3 is highly available and globally redundant. Your data is stored across multiple locations, ensuring it's always accessible when you need it. No matter where you are, S3's design means you can count on your data to be there.